I've got a cup of the cinnamon sugar pretzels, and then I've got a cup of brown sugar in here that I'm going to mix up. This is half a cup of just regular old flour, and that's going to go in there. And then we're going to be adding just a little bit of salt, just a couple little turns. A half cup bag, that's a little bag of the chopped walnuts. That goes in there as well. Adding 4 tablespoons of pumpkin pie spice. 1, 2, might be the whole bottle. 3, that goes in there. Then you keep stirring. We're going to be adding to this. This is a full half cup, not a full cup, it's a full half cup of melted butter. Pour that all over the top and toss that some more. Okay, so once that's all mixed together, we're going to take half and save half for later. 2 bags, 2 whole bags of these sweet potato puffs. They're like tots, but they're called puffs. I'm just gonna pour 1 bag in and pour the other bag in. Oof. I love sweet potatoes, and I love sweet potato tots. Half the mixture that you had, just kind of toss it on top. Move that around so a little bit goes everywhere. And then this is going to go into a 375-degree oven for 45 minutes. Ooh, oh, it smells so good. So this has been 45 minutes in the oven, and now you're just going to take a fork, or if you've got like a potato masher, which I don't have, but if you have a potato masher, use that. Once we've got that going, just kind of mush it down on all the sides. We're going to take some giant roasters. Look at these, they're humongous. They're huge. So we're going to pop these on here. That's the whole bag. Then you're going to take the rest of that filling, that topping, the streusel topping that we had from earlier, just kind of break it back up again because it's so good. So you're just going to dump that all on top and then just kind of spread it out. And then this is going to go back in the oven for, I don't know, like about 10 minutes. Oh, take a look. It looks like a giant s'more, right? But it's a sweet potato casserole. Let me do a little taste test. The marshmallows are marshmallowing. That, I don't want to burn my mouth. Oh my God, that's good.